How to fix Windows 11 update not showing on Windows 10. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually fix Windows 11 update not showing on Windows 10. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to fix the Windows 11 update not showing up on Windows 10, let's say that you have a Windows 10 device. Because I already upgraded it, but I'm still going to show you the tutorial. Just open up your settings and let's say you go to Windows update. It just says you that this PC is eligible for Windows 11 update, but it's been weeks and months after the Windows 11 update, but you're not being able to find that option. Well, there is a very simple option that you can actually find it, and that is by going into Windows Insider program. So just go to Windows Insider program under your settings panel. When you go to it, you want to make sure to join the Insider program, right? So you want to make sure to log in with your Microsoft account. So I'll just click on the get started button, and then I'll select link an account, and then I'll select my Microsoft account here, and then I'll just click on continue, then I'll just click on link an account, and so on. So basically over here you have three options, which in this case you want to select the beta channel, which is recommended, right? So you just want to select beta channel here, and then click on continue, and then click on continue again. And now you want to go ahead and then simply restart your device. So now once you go ahead and restart your device, and then you come to the Windows update, and now you check for updates, you should be able to find the Windows 11 update. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.